Hello there, fellow warrior friends. I'm back. Okay, I'm just gonna change the lighting. Anyway, today I'm going to be auditioning for Jellybird's casting call. Let's get started. I want to be Featherpaw super badly, so I hope you let me. Crap. Okay, let me start that over. Hey there, Nightpaw. I'm Featherpaw, by the way. Oh yeah. Hey there, Nightpaw. I'm Featherpaw, by the way. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. And oh crap. Jeez, my mascot's falling everywhere. This is not my mascot, but my LPS is flying everywhere. And yes, it is a G5. It's pretty cute, by the way. And if you didn't know, if you watch Jellybird's videos, which you probably don't, because she's kind of a nerd, but I'm a nerd too, so I shouldn't be saying that. Oh crap, I dropped my LPS. Anyway, I shouldn't, but this is Night Frost before she lost her eye. So, goodbye, bye. Oh, and I'm the friend that plays with her. Bye.